In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Windows 11 lock screen. If you want your computer to feel a little more personal, the lock screen is a great place to start. Windows 11 gives you a few simple ways to change how it looks and what kind of information appears there, whether you prefer a clean design, a favorite photo, or a rotating gallery of images. To begin, open Settings on your Windows 11 PC. Once you're in Settings, navigate to Personalization, and then click on Lock Screen. This is where all the main lock screen customization options are located. The first option you'll see is the background style for your lock screen. Windows 11 gives you three choices here. The first is Windows Spotlight. This option automatically displays daily rotating photos and tips provided by Microsoft. It's a good choice if you like variety and want your lock screen to change regularly without needing to update it yourself. The second option is Picture. If you'd rather keep one permanent image on your lock screen, select Picture. Then click Browse Photos to choose any image saved on your PC. This works well if you have a favorite wallpaper, a personal photo, or a specific image that matches your setup. The third option is Slideshow. This allows your lock screen to cycle through a folder of images over time. If you choose this option, click Browse next to the album settings and select the folder you want to use. This is especially useful if you have a collection of wallpapers or photos and want the lock screen to feel more dynamic. Next, look for the lock screen status setting. Here, you can choose one app to show quick information directly on the lock screen. For example, you might select Weather, Calendar, or Mail, depending on what's useful to you. If you prefer a cleaner and less distracting lock screen, you can set this option to None. If you are using Windows Spotlight and want a simpler appearance, uncheck the option called Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen. Turning this off removes the suggested text and promotional style links that can appear with Spotlight images. Finally, if you want the same lock screen image to appear on the sign-in screen where you enter your password or PIN, turn on Show the Lock Screen Background Picture on the sign-in screen. This helps create a more consistent look from the lock screen to the login page. Once you've adjusted these settings, you can close the window and your changes will be applied automatically. That's it. You've successfully customized your Windows 11 lock screen to better match your style and preferences.